Hello hoteliers, welcome to another Channel Manager tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to access your booking list in the Booking Genie Channel Manager. Since the Channel Manager is integrated with various OTAs like Goibibo, Booking.com, Expedia, and others, you can view and manage all booking details received from these platforms in the Channel Manager. Let's see how. After logging in to the Channel Manager, go to the Booking section. Here, you will find all booking details received from different channels, including booking status and payment statuses. This is List View, where you can filter bookings by booking date, check-in date, and checkout date. Additionally, you can filter them channel-wise. Furthermore, you can search for bookings by booking ID or guest name using the search bar. We've also provided an option to download filtered booking details in Excel format by clicking the download button. You can also view booking details for the next 2 months in bulk in the calendar view. It provides a simpler method for viewing and managing all your bookings. Make sure to check out other videos in our series. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out Booking Genie support.